welcome back to the learners. In this video, we'll be adding services and contact section in our website. If you have not accessed the web.me course or case playlist, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let us start our video. I'll right click and open my VS Code, and my VS Code is open. So I'm going to start the number 2, and my server also has acquisition. So I have changed the services. So I have changed these restaurants to services, and I have linked all it to service.html. So let's create a new file called service.html. Then now if we click services, it will go to service.html. So I think I should rename it and write the services. Yes, now it is going to service.html. So in services.html, let us put boilerplate. Then let us write here our services quick food. So now this has a title called our services quick food. So let us copy this navbar and paste it here. So for that I'll go to index.html. Then from div class navbar I will copy up to UL. Now let me see how it looks. Yes, it looks perfect. So let us add CSS to it. So I'll go to style.css. Then I will copy from here to hash navbar. Then I'll make a style tag here to write CSS. Yeah, now this looks great. So let us copy this Google fonts too. So I have copied all the Google fonts, and now this looks perfect. Then here let us write some text. For that I make another div with class section 2. Then in that I will make a div with class box 1. Then inside that I'll make an h1 tag with element with id called head1. So I think I kept this class for something else. So I'll make text 1. Yes, so I have given this h1 class text 1. Here I'll write lorem 20. So let me write lorem here. Lorem 30. Then let me see. So I'll copy the word wrap 2. Yeah, now it looks little good. So I think we should use paragraph tags instead of h1 tags. Yes. So for again I will copy this box 1, then I'll paste it here, then here I'll add box 2, then here text 2. Yeah, now there are 2 text here. So let us go to Google Fonts and let's fonts for this text. So I'll go to Google Fonts, fonts.google.com, and I'll write here lorem. So let us select some nice fonts for it. So I'll go down. So I'll provide all the fonts name in the description box too. So I think this font looks great. This one. So this is bangles. So I'll select this font. Then I'll select this style. Then I'll copy this HTML code. Then I'll paste in my VS Code in services.html. So now Google Fonts is important. Then let us copy the CSS. Then let us target box 1 dot box 1 fonts family bangles cursive. So let us see. Yes, it looks perfect. Then let us do the same for box 2. Box 2 font family bangles cursive. Yeah, now it looks great. Then let us add more styling to this. Color white smoke. Then font size at 20 pixels. Then let us see. Oh, then let us add some letter spacing to it. Letter spacing 3 pixels. I think this font does not look great, so let's select another font. So which fonts let us select? So I think this fonts look great. So I'll copy this HTML code and I'll paste it here. Then I'll copy the CSS too and I'll paste in box 1 and box 2 too. So let us remove this letter space in 3 pixels. Yeah. Then let us paste this font family here too. Then let us give it a width of 600 pixels. I think 800 pixels will look great. And let's remove this lorem 30 and let us add lorem 50. Yeah, that looks great. Then here too, let us add lorem 50. Yeah. So then let us copy and paste box 1 style into box 2 too. Yeah, now that looks great. Then let us remove this because that's not needed. Then let us add border of 2 pixels solid white. So 2 pixels solid white. So I think that will look nice. Yeah, now this one looks nice. Then let us do the same for box 2. Yeah. Then in box 2 let us add margin top of 30 pixels. Yeah. Then padding top, padding bottom, padding left, and padding right 30 pixels or less 10 pixels. Yeah, so now it looks fine. Then let us add font awesome icons of users or else of food. Then let us add this one. Yeah, so there are lots of foods here. Let us select this hamburger. Then let us copy this HTML and let us paste it below div class box 1. Yeah, now there is burgers icon. So I think we should put this file into text 1 because this burger should come apart. Yes. Then here to text 2. Yeah. Then let us select another icon of delivery. Let us select. Then I think this one finish or else let us add another icon of ID. Which one can we select? ID card on. Yes, ID card. Then let us copy this HTML and let us paste it here. Now there are two icons as you can see. So I have zoomed it as you can see here. So I will make this to 5x or 5x or else 6x. Okay, then let us give this ID of food icon. Then ID for this called car icon. So food icons. So hash food icon float right. Yes, then hash card icon also float right. Hash card icon float right. Yeah, okay. Then for food icon, margin top minus 100 pixels. Minus 200 pixels. It's not working. Yes, it's working. So minus 150 pixels. 150 pixels. Yeah. And for this too, margin top minus 150 pixels. Okay. Then color white for both of them. So to use multiple colors in VS Code, use Alt and mouse clicks. Yeah, I think color white is not looking nice. Let's use the color picker and make it little dark somewhere here. Then let us see. I think it's too bright now also. So let us make it here. Yes, RGB color RGB here. Then if someone hovers on hash food icon, the color will become white. Then the same for card icon too. Card icon. Now, oh, I forgot to write here. Hover, colon, hover. Now if someone hovers on it, it will become white. So let us add margin right to it because it's at end. Margin right 40 pixels. Let's try 60 pixels. Now 60 pixels. So let us try 100 pixels. On this one, a bit 110 pixels. Okay, now they both are perfect. So let us add this column that is in index.html. So this column. So for that, I'll go to index.html. Then I will copy from div class head 2. So from here to here. Then I'll paste in services.html. So let us see. Yeah, now this looks great. Then let us add this one from ULID content. Yeah, from here to here. Then let us paste in services.html. Then let us see how it looks. So let us add background color for this one. Let us remove this blue and let us see home. So I'll put this inside a div with class and I will close the div tag here. Then I'll target .end. So .end background color white on black. Then let us see. Yeah. So I think I should put this div class end here. Oh, so there's some problem here. Or else let us keep this background here itself. Yeah, I think now also it looks great. So let us remove this HTML and this one too, ULID content add to only here, this much. Yeah, now it looks perfect. Then yeah, now it's okay. So I will comment yes. Now this section is finished. So let us make this contact section. So for that, I will create another file called contact.html. So here, now I have created a new file called contact.html. Yeah, now let us save it. Then if we click contact, we go to contact.html. So now in contact.html, let us make a navbar first. For that, I'll go to services.html and I'll copy this navbar code and paste it in contact.html. So before, let us put the border page, then give it as a title called contact us quick food. So now this has a title called Contact Us Quick Food. So I'll refresh it. Yeah, as you can see here, this has a title called Contact Us Quick Food. So let us, in the body tag, let us paste it with the navbar code and let's refresh it. Okay, now let us go to source.html and let us copy this navbar CSS and paste in contact.html. Nice number, let us copy it. So before that, I have put the style tags to write the CSS. So I'll paste it, and now the navbar is looking great. So let us copy all the Google fonts too. I'll copy it from here to here. Then I will paste it here. Now let us refresh it. Oh, so I should remove this margin 0 and padding 0. Okay, now this one looks great as you can see here. So in the contact section, first let us make a contact form here. For that, I'll go to fontawesome.com again. Then I will search here user. I want the user icon here, so I'll select this one. And let us select this one, user. Then let us start using this icon and let us copy HTML and let us make a div tag here. Div class contact form and let us paste this profile user here. And now as you can see here, now there is a contact user form. So let us reset it. Let us make this little bigger. Far 6x. So let us make this more bigger. For that, let us write fast 7x. Yeah, I think 7x look great. Then let us start styling it. So in the body tag, so where is this body? What did I think? I didn't get a body. Body tag. Let us write background color blue. And let us make this a bit lighter and here. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Then let us give a ID for this called user icon. Then let us target this user icon and let us start styling it. So I'll first give color as blue for this, and now let us see. So color is blue. So let us make this a bit near this. Okay. Then let us make this body a little lighter. Near the green somewhere here. So starting with the green. Yeah, now this looks perfect. Then here let us write margin left. I think 46% is enough. Yes, 46% is perfect. Then let us write margin top 30 pixels, and yes, it's okay. Let us change to 40 pixels. Yeah, it's okay now. Then here let us write let us make input, and also before that let us write here h1. Let us write here label for let us write here f name. So f name means first name. So write your f name. Then here write your first name. Yeah, now let us see. Yeah, as you can see here it's written write your first name. So I think there's a problem here. So let us make a form here and let us remove this contact form. Yeah, Now this looks great, as you can see here. So now let us write here. Then let us make an input type text here. Then with name, first name, then with ID f name. Now just let us add a placeholder 2 with name first name. Now let us save it. Yeah, as you can see here. Now there is a input type text. So then next let us copy this and paste it here, and here let us write last name. Then here instead of first name, last name, and here instead of f name, l name. Then in placeholder last name. Now there should be two forms. Yes, as you can see here, there are two forms. Then let us copy this and let us paste it here. So label for country, write your country name. Write your country name. Then here let us write country name. Then here let us write C name. So I think there should be three forms here. Yes. So instead of this, let us try making this select. That means we can select the forms. So for that, I will remove this input and I will keep this label. Then I will make a select tags. So name, country. So name, country, then ID to country, then let us write option, so let us do this, option opt into 4. Yeah, now there are 4 options, so if you click this it will go here. So the first value, let us write here Australia, then here Canada, then here India, then here U, or else let us write USA. Yeah, now there are 4 countries as you can see here. I think there is a problem here. So I think now it will work. It's not working. Oh, if I want to save it, yeah, now it's working. Oh, I think by mistake I wrote India 1. Yes, as you can see here, now the country section also working. Then let us write here another label tag for a message. Then here let us write message. So now there's a text called message as you can see here. Then here let us make text area. So we can write text here. Yeah, I think this is too big. So let us style it afterwards. Before that, let us add PR tags between them, or else let us put them inside a div tags. So for that, let us target this input type text or text. Then let's save it. So yeah, now only the input type text has width of 100%. So then let us style it more. So for that, I'm going to put padding of 10 pixels. Let us see. Let us try 12 pixels. Let us see. Yeah, I think 12 pixels is enough. Then let us give border for it. So for that, I'm going to write border 1 pixel solid white. So it's full. Yeah, now it looks fine. Then let us give this border radius of 4 pixels. Yeah, so now there's a border radius of 4 pixels. So I think 100% not looking, it's not nice. So let us give this width as 98%. Let us see. Yeah, 98% is looking great. Then let us add margin top to it. So margin top 10 pixels. Yeah. Then margin bottom also 10 pixels. Margin bottom 10 pixels. Yes. So now this is looking great. And let us style this text too. So let us see. Yeah. So let us target label tags. Label font size 30 pixels. I think 30 pixels is a little big. Let us select 20 pixels. Yeah, I think 20 pixels is enough. Then let us go to Google Fonts. So I'll go to Google Fonts and I'll paste. So I'll select light mode. I'll paste the text here, write your first name, and I'll select some nice fonts. Write your first name. Which one looks fine? I think this one. No. There is no space looking related. So this font looks fine. Then let us select this style and add this fonts to contact.html. So first I'll talk the one wrap to. So one wrap. Then let us select this font family. Alright, cool something. Then let us paste in label tags. Now, yeah, as you can see, yeah, it's looking fine now. Then let us style this too. So for that, I'm going to write here select, then text area 2. Text area. Now let us save it. Yeah, as you can see here, now this form is looking great. So now let us style this submit tags and let us change this font size a bit. Font size 26 pixels. Okay, now it's okay. Let's have a country, India, Australia, USA, something. Then let us style this submit tag. So input type submit. So write input type submit background color yellow green. Now the background color should be yellow green. Yes. Then let us select this font here, bangles and summary. For that, I'll go to source.html and select this bangles font. So where's this bangles font? Or else I'll select Merriweather and I will use this font in input type somewhere. Yeah. So let me select Roboto and see. Let us paste it. Yeah, I think Roboto is Looking nice. So let's just go to Google Fonts again and let's select another style. So let's just submit. So I think this one looks fine. So I'll select this font too and I will paste in salsa.html. So I'll toggle contact.html. So I'll go up and paste this font here. Then I'll select this right to this. I think Changa, yes, Changa. And I will paste it here. In input type submit Changa. So let us refresh. Let us remove this Roboto. Let us save it, Changa. Oh, I think Changa isn't working. So let us leave it. Then let us add border 2 pixel solid green. Yeah, now this is a border 2 pixel solid green. Then font size 30 pixels. 30 pixels is a little big. Let us select 20 pixels and let us add padding top, padding left, padding 10 pixels. 10 pixels. Yeah, so 10 pixels is fine, I think. So let us select this font as 27 pixels and let us decrease this padding to 6 pixels. Let us refresh it. Yeah, I think now it is looking fine. So yeah, now let us save it. Then border radius 3 pixels. Oh, it's not working, but why? Border radius 3 pixels. Let us try increasing it. So border radius 10 pixels. Yeah, it's working. Let us refresh it. Yeah. So let us change this to 7 pixels. Okay, now the submit is looking great. Then margin left 40 pixels. So let us change to 80 pixels. Okay, now this contact form is looking great. So let us add more styling to it. So I'll target input type submit then submit hover, and someone hovers on it, colon hover. So I forgot it to write here. So what had happened? So let us do not use any empty results. So yeah, now this is working. You can see here, this is working, transparent. So let us add transition to it. Oh, 2 pixels. No, no, no. Why am I using 2 seconds? Is enough.